All right, we're back for the third super scalping session. I really enjoyed them. I don't know, it's really fun to try like a new strategy and just completely dive into it and try to optimize it as much as possible, right? Obviously, it's the early stages of trying out this new strategy, super scalping. I've watched. Oh, sorry about that. I've watched Iman trade it, or Iman. I've watched Iman trade it for a long time. I always catch his live trading. I don't always catch it live, but I always end up watching it either when market's slower or once market closes. But so I've watched people trade it before, but I haven't never like really personally tried it too much. But so this is my third session here attempting it. I try to keep these like 5 minutes or however long, but not too long. Last time I think my average trade time was about like 12 seconds. So let's see what happens this time. But I kind of like the long here. Not anymore. Those two red candles changed my mind. Let's go short here. Let's see if we get
Order
filled.
filled.
Yeah, we got filled.
Stop filled.
Okay, we got stopped. Okay, first we're starting off with the red trade. All right, it's all good. It's all good. Um, we're here like near this high. I'm tempted to start another short again. I feel like this could potentially be a pivot zone. Okay, no. Okay, we broke out. Instant rejection though, and then got bought back up. Okay. Kind of hard to read this price action when you get some bigger candles like that. So gonna let it play out a little bit. It's looking kind of weak though. It's not too
Order
convincing
filled.
here. Don't love my entry, but
Order filled.
let's go entry again. I'm gonna lower my take profits here. Third entry.
Order filled.
Alright, there
Order
we go.
filled. Order filled.
Boom, and just like that, we're green on the session again. Reason I got aggressive, I like the price action, okay? Why did I like it? That's something somebody recommended after watching my second session is like try to go over like review trades, and I should do this at the end of the session, but I'm quickly gonna try to do that right now. So those are my executions, right? We got the fresh high, but it's always important to pay attention when you get fresh highs here. What's the reaction, right? If you're bullish here and you're thinking, okay, we're continuing the trend, right? You want to see continuation. Well, first of all, you want to see continuation right when you get the break, right? And we kind of got that, but you got that instant rejection. So that's already giving me a bad sign. The thing that kind of saved it was the next candle right after that was a big green candle. So I'm like, okay, maybe I was wrong about this break being weak. But then it started coming back down, right? And as it started coming back down, I entered my first position. And then we didn't see an immediate buyback up. Like, bulls should be stepping in the zone. They weren't really stepping in, so I added again. And then we saw a green candle, so I'm like, ooh, okay, we got close to my stop loss. But then we see this big red candle, so then I get even more confident in it. And so I add again. As we break this pivot, we should see a nice little move here. Longs maybe getting stopped out, and then we got that nice move. We got some really solid continuation that I completely missed out on because I'm trying to explain this trade, so that's my bad. But nice little trade there. All right, big red candle. Let's see if bears defend this. I'm tempted to go short here. Should have just executed that. I need to like it's okay. So I'm not used to super scalping, so that I'm not super good at it yet. But when I feel I want to go short, I just need to do it. Like even if I get stopped out, who cares, bro? I'm trying out a new strategy here, and I just gotta take those trades, right? Looks like I think it would have worked out if I didn't move my take profit, but then it came back up. So it's giving me the re-entry, okay? It's saying, all right, you can re-enter the trade now. Tempted to add again. I'm with the tempted. I should just execute, but for some reason I'm not. Okay, it's kind of stalling here. Don't really want to add anymore. Ooh. Okay. Pretty sure we're gonna get stopped. If we come back down and break this, I'll add again. Okay,
Order
adding.
filled.
Adding again.
Order filled.
Okay, I like this
Order
take profit
filled.
being under this. I'm a.
Order
Ah, I was gonna
filled.
move it. I was gonna move it. Fuck. I was just gonna say I was gonna move it. My bad. Okay, whatever. Okay, what if? Yeah, I would have hit. Okay, nice. Okay, I'm getting better at adding to the position here as I get more confident during the trade because every candle, every single little tick gives you added information that you can potentially react to. And you might not understand exactly why I'm making these moves, but I'm trying to explain it as best I can, but at the end of the day, a lot of it is intuition, and I've stared at charts like this for the past 4 years every day for hours. So some stuff just kind of gets ingrained in your brain, right? And it's hard to like explain that in words. But nice move there. Got what we were looking for. Now it just makes me feel like we should have just entered here and held it, right? We would have got the same result, even better. But we're not trend chaining right now. We're scalping, so it's okay. Could go for a little bounce here.
Order
I don't like my
filled.
entry. I hesitate a little bit. Should have been a little bit earlier. After that first green candle.
Stop filled.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. On trades like that, when you're looking for a bounce, after the first initial green candle, jump in. I don't even know if our profit would have hit either way, but okay. Kind of want to retry it again, but do I really want 2 attempts on this trade? A counter trend. Let's see higher time frame. Let's see if there's any key levels here. We're near low of day, I think. Yeah, we're near low of day. So, okay, yeah, I shouldn't be trying to catch the bounce here. Man, I really wish I was holding short from up here. That's the perfectionist in me. And so now, like, taking a short down here, it's like, but I'm scalping. Like, I'm only looking for 4 points, so I don't need an ideal entry. I gotta remind myself of that. Let's go short here.
Order filled.
That's another new thing to me. I'm not used to my stop loss being so tight on trades like this. Like, sometimes on swings, I can have like a 40-point stop. So my stop wouldn't even be visible on this, I don't think. Or actually, it would. 27 entry, 67. Oh no, it
Stop
would just be
filled.
right above. We got stopped on one contract. We stopped 2 contracts though. It didn't get fully filled. If we come back down to my entry, I think I'll add like down here.
Stop
Now
filled.
we got stopped. Okay. I still think the short is viable. I think we're gonna eventually crack low day, but it's hard here because we're gonna have a short stop. So I need like a perfect entry here. And it looks like we're coming back up. No reason we can't
Order
re-enter the
filled.
trade.
Order filled.
Fuck. Okay, that was bad. I'm tempted to move my stop loss, but I'm not going to.
Stop filled.
Yeah, I was tempted to move it like up here, but we're super scalping here. We got to be strict with our stop loss, and we're bouncing anyways. Okay. Alright, gonna let it do its thing. I can't read price action too much. I think eventually my theory is we continue this downtrend, but I don't know exactly when. We can come up here. I like that for a short. Okay. Okay, now we're still kind of. See, we're back to my entry now, so I'm like, normally my stop would have been. I don't know if I would have got stopped normally. It's like, what, 12 points, top to bottom. Okay, this is good consolidation for the overall trend if we're gonna continue lower. I like how we're not really pushing that much higher up, so I still think we're gonna see fresh lows here. Okay, lows are 20 points away. See, I'm really tempted to go for this trade here,
Order
but I'm
filled.
just scalping it.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Okay, should I move my stop? No, let's leave it. Okay. Should I be doing this? Letting trades work out, even though it's a scalp. It's just in the nature.
Order
Okay,
filled.
fuck. We could have let that keep going. We're still. All right. Nice trade though. I'm a trend trader by nature, bro. So it's hard. I'm still salty that I'm not still in this position from up here. Okay, whatever. We're scalping here. Let's refocus. Hmm. Okay, similar to what happened up here, we're getting fresh lows, but no major continuation. Might bounce here. Sellers are still present though. Trend overall trend still downside. But if we were gonna bounce, bulls step in here. Doesn't look like it. Okay, fuck, man. I'm so salty. I'm not gonna catch this fresh low. Like it was high probability that we're gonna get new lows. There we go. Boom. I'm mad. Okay, I'm gonna end the session because I'm triggered now. What if this? Okay, 61, 50-point trade. Not quite. Whatever. Okay, still green on the session. Review of the session real quick. Let's see. Let's go to line chart. Not bad. Missed out on this though. I think I was explaining the trade, right? No, I was explaining this one. Okay, I like this. Good entry here. I explained this already. Fresh highs, weak. Started to turn, slap short. Would have wished that we had a higher target here so we caught more of this move. Like, this is an ideal entry for this entire fresh low idea, right? And that's it. These are executions I normally would have had with my normal strategy. I just wouldn't have had such a tight stop loss, and I would have had a much wider take profit, okay? I would be taking profits right now. But for this super scalping method, we're chaining with the momentum, so that was nice. And then we got the re-entry point, and then we missed out on this. After taking profits here, there's no real re-entry point, which is the downfall of scalping here. The entry for the short here on this little move here was here, which we got. So we got the right entry, but it's just tough. I guess we could have moved my take profit, but the move happened fast. Sometimes when I'm moving or I'm trying to move my take profit, the trades are like 12 seconds long, so like there's not really time to be like, you know what I'm saying? I don't know if you know what I'm saying, but hopefully you understand. Then we tried the long here. We're seeing if it's gonna bounce. Nice short move. It's very possible that we're gonna bounce. Got stopped out. So tried the short here. Not the best entry. That's probably my worst trade here. Shorting here. That I don't like that one too much. We got stopped out. Tried the short again. Don't know exactly what happened here. Part of it worked, part of it didn't. Not sure. Then came up here. This was a good entry here. After some consolidation. Okay, so this one was too early. This one was good. And we got that nice move. Would have been nice to extend the profit target, but as I was trying to move it, we got taken out. So okay, not bad. Not a bad little session there. Room for improvement, but obviously it's my third session, so we're only gonna get better with time. So hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll catch you guys next time.